A chart is a perfect tool to present data in an understandable way. But sometimes it sucks because we overload it with data. Yes, you heard it right. I believe that when it comes to charts it should be neat and clean, and the best solution to this problem is using interactive charts. By using interactive charts in Excel, you can present more data in a single chart, and you don't even have to worry about all that clutter. It's a smart way. Look at the below chart where I am trying to show target versus achievement, profit, and market share. Do you think this is a decent way to present it? Of course not. And now check out this, we have an interactive chart which I can control with option buttons. What do you think? Are you ready to create your first interactive chart in Excel? 1. Prepare data. First of all, copy this table and paste it below the original table. Now, delete the data from the second table. In the Jan month cell of target and achievement, insert the following formulas and copy those formulas into the entire row, formula bar. After that, into the Jan month of profit and copy it into the entire row. In the end, Jan month of market share, copy it into the entire row. Your interactive data table is ready. So far so good. Let me tell you how it works. All the cells in this table are linked with A1. And when you enter one in the A1 table will show you data for target and achievement only. For 2 it will show profit and market share for 3. 2. Insert option buttons. So next, you have to insert option buttons to automate value in cell A1. Go to the Developer tab. Control. Insert. Option button. Insert 3 option buttons and name them as following. Button 1 equals target versus achievement. Button 2 equals profit. Button 3 equals market share. After that, right-click on any of the buttons and select Format Control. In Format Control options, link it to the cell A1 and click OK. Now, you can control your data with these option buttons. Three. Insert secondary axis chart. Now, it's time to get down to the real thing. First of all, select your table and insert a column chart. After that, select your data bars and click on Change Chart Type. Go to Design tab. Design. Change chart type. Now, for profit and market share, change the chart type to the line with markers and tick the secondary axis for both. Congratulations! Your interactive chart is ready to rock. You can also make some formatting changes in your chart if you want. Conclusion. In the end, I just want to say that with an interactive chart you can help your user to focus on one thing at a time. And you can save a lot of space in the dashboards as well. Sometimes you feel that it's a lengthy process, but it's a one-time setup that can save you a lot of time. I hope this tip will help you to get better at charting, but now, tell me one thing. What interactive charts do you use? Share with me in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you, and please don't forget to share this tip with your friends, I'm sure they will appreciate it. And let me know in the comments section what is the next topic I should do. I will try to make a video on that as soon as possible. See you all until then. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.